Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful.
Good afternoon. Alright, let's get this stuff going. Just stab long. What up, Eric? Over here on this other account. See if this thing can work its way back above 900 here. Right, out one, out two. Right, out three. Small winner. What up, Tech T? Small winner there. Just looking to get a trade day on this influencer account since we're starting kind of late. But Deshaun in the house. What up? All right, we're going to do a giveaway. I actually do think I owe somebody a MyFinite Futures account. I don't think I ever sent it over. I have to go back and look. Yeah, Tech T, I wasn't on earlier. We're gonna do a giveaway. I was traveling, so from over the weekend. What up, Paul? But I decided to jump on here for a little power hour rendezvous. So if you want to enter the giveaway exclamation point cash, you have a choice of 3 different accounts. You can either take a trade day 50K intraday trailing account, you can take a MyFunded Futures 50K account, or an any size Apex account. Those are the accounts. Those are the ones that are available. All right, let me see if I can get some other stuff pulled up here. Just getting logged on. You know how it is. Just getting logged on here. See if we can find a spot. Back to that whole number there. Yes, bouncing off the VWAP as well. I don't have Mancini's levels marked out or anything. I did put his newsletter in the Discord. Let's see. 36 is above. This, why does this say, it says 67, 36. Oh, okay. 67, 15. Let's see, 83, 94, 05. Trying to put these levels out. I mean, this does look like a decent spot for a bounce. 73 and 53. Okay. Yes is at the VWAP here, though. What up, Outer? Pushing through here. I've not looked at the hourly or anything. Oh, I'm on the 5 minute. What am I doing? Not even on the right chart. Over here looking at the 50 EMA on the 5-minute. All right, the hourly, we had a push down. When was this? At noon? 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. we sold down. Is this from yet? This from Friday? Oh, it is Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. So kind of a barcode here today. I mean, still looks bullish to me, though. Let's fib this hourly. I guess we did just tap that 50%. I don't know. Do we continue higher is the question. I don't know. Looking like it wants to maybe test that VWAP. Maybe. How's everybody's P&L looking today? Everybody done well? Let us know in the chat if you've done well. Again, I just got on, so 0 funded trades for me. You can see everything's still zeroed out. What up, Mad Moxie? Green Dean. Let's go. Green Dean. I like it. I mean, ES is holding up right there at the 83, trying to bounce off the VWAP. Up 500 top step X, 450 on TPT. Nice, nice. Let's go, Deshaun. Gave Friday's profit back. That sucks. Only Sam Mad Moxie. Maybe not a bad idea. Do we have any dips and reclaims on the ES today? 72? I mean, that's basically it. Double bottom down there at 661. One thing I haven't marked out. Let's take a quick second. Let's mark out the previous day close. Let's just take a moment here and mark out the previous day close if we can. I have no idea where that is. Big rip up at, holy cow. Big gap up there, huh? 188. I don't think that's going to be coming into play anytime soon. Well, darn it. I still like to mark it out. It's not exactly right, but we'll just mark it there. And let's mark out this gap. So 542 is the gap. Made 1,400 in new evaluation stop last night. Let's go. Nice job, Tyson. So did it fill the gap today? I don't think it did it? Nope. So yeah, probably going to want to come fill that gap at some point, but hard to say it's going to be right now. Hard to say that it'll be right now. Pushing back up here above the 900, 24,906. Nice push back into the 10s. ES holding that VWAP there. God dang it. The VWAP at on the NAS down there further. You ever feel like you're late to school? Like when you show up to the charts late like this, you don't know what's going on? It's pretty key lower wicks we're taking. Blown 8 evals today on gold, Alexi. Dang. What's gold done today? Let's take a look. Straight up, pretty much just a grinder. Kind of pushing down now, though. Kind of pushing back up to the initial balance high. 50 EMA there. Back above the 200 EMA there. Close above there. See if it wants to retest maybe the 200 here. Pull back into that 900 level one more time. Again, ES kind of holding that level, pushing through there. Not going to lie, kind of starting to hate trading. Almost dread it each morning. Yeah, no, it gets like that sometimes, Nate. Does kind of get like that sometimes. We're going to push up into the 927s. I don't know. Close back above initial balance there. Holding above that 200 now. See if it gets back above initial balance here, 913, 914 area. Kind of get it back above there. Expect maybe a squeeze, 922 pretty quickly. Let's look for it. Let's look for it. Just looking for a 5-point push up here. Can she go? Holding up there at the 50 for now. I don't know if I want to give it more room or not. You give it down to 96, but man, that's a little further than I really like, but we could try it. Get up there. Let's see. Could get stopped out. We'll see. There's the rebalance of that gap there. See if we can push out of there. Get back above that 10. Maybe we can squeeze. We'll see. Max barking at something. Who knows what? Who knows? I don't know. Design in the house. Joom here. Yeah, we may have to eat this one. We'll see. Always getting frisky when the shorts come out of nowhere. Yeah, I know it. Stop it, Max. We need the longs, bro. We need the longs. Guess we're going to give this a little more room. Might end up being a bad idea. Max says hold. Hodl. If Max says hodl, then we hodl. We do what he says. If we break above the 50 here, we can go. If we can break above the 50 EMA, can't lose long. I lost long the other day. Definitely lost long. Because we went down, down, down. But I do agree, the long is definitely seems like the play. Goal today is to get this account to $500 or $600. I realize we're in like the last 30-40 minutes of the day, but that's kind of what I want to do. That would be the idea. I think this trade will put us in the threes. If we can get the target here. mean, how do we not hit that wick? At least we can deduct it in taxes. Exactly. 2,000 points to be safe. You lost 60K. Dang, that sucks. Come on. Get up there. I don't want to take short profit because I know it's going to go. Let's go. Finally got up there. So we can find one or two more little 5-point scalps. That'll put us right there where we need. Two more. Just a 2,000 point stop on that one. We're good to go. This is the little competition account. We're back on day one. We kind of YOLO'd it last week. Not doing that this week. Want to have it passed by Friday. That's the goal. Whether that happens, I don't know. Gonna need to make like 2,200 a day going forward. So I'm gonna be trading it a lot. But we're just gonna take normal trades, like looking for 5 points with a 10 or a 15 point stop loss. And just go from there. I don't know if I'll take any funded trades today. Maybe not. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, exclamation point cash in the chat. You can choose between a 50K trade day intraday trailing eval or a 50K my funded futures scale eval or a any size eval from Apex. You can choose one of those. Tom Sabo, 24967. All right, that's his guarantee. So what I need to do is just get long right now and hold to 967. Now, what if it doesn't hit, Tom? What if it doesn't hit? So if I just get long right here, you're guaranteeing it's going to hit the high. All right, let me see. How many points of a stop? Oof. All right, let's get long. All right, there's one long. We need one more. One more. Just one more. I'm not going to hold it all the way up there. I could on the funded accounts, but you know. We don't want to do it. I guess I could pick out an eval and do it. You buy me a Bewley account, that's it? One Bewley account? No. It's got to be a take profit trader. No, I'm just kidding. In fact, I needed to look at something right quick anyway. I'm glad you said that. I forgot. I got hit with something over the weekend. Create. Yeah, I guess it's fine. How close are we to doing the giveaway on Take Profit Trader? We need 20 more sales on Take Profit Trader to be able to do a giveaway. 20 more sales. Just 20. It's got to be more than that, Tom. It's got to be more than that. ES is pushing above 94 here. Initial balance at 97 on the ES there. It's kind of hanging out right there at it. Let's see if it pops through there. You see Nasdaq's already pushed it through. Eric, Casino's very good. I did win. I'm up about about $2,000 over the last few visits. 200 Huff, what is that, like $8? That's like $8 Tom's offering. Yeah, that's true, Smokey. Why are you losing so much? Come on, man. We got to win. Only win. You can only win. Tom says just go long. I'm waiting on a pullback, then I'm going to go long. The market said, who needs a pullback? Yeah, Smokey Bear, nice. No more purchases until next month, Tech T. All right. Good luck, sir. 100K. Yeah, I blew 5 accounts on Friday from my funded futures, 4 evals and 1 funded account. So fun times. Oh, you're gonna make 200 to 300 or lose? Yeah, this is how it goes. It was moving so fast Friday, so fast. Look for a little pullback here, maybe back into that 40. I'll stab long again. Let me see. All right, we'll go. We'll take it now. Did I not hit it? Why is it? What's going on here? Are you guys seeing that? I'm pressing the buy button. It's not doing anything. Oh, what the hell? You gotta be kidding me. You guys saw that shit? Yeah, they were easy unless you're on the wrong side, right? God dang it. It put me in 3 minis. I did not want to do that. That's annoying. That's annoying. I started to just take them off right there when it happened, and I didn't. What up, Black Phoenix? No, I'm here. I wasn't on this morning. Yeah, I was driving. Can't believe that thing just made me add 3 right there. It did not. I know you guys saw that. It just froze, and I was like, why is the buy button not working? Oh, well, what are you going to do? What can you do? It is what it is. It's all because Tom Sabo sold 1 micro. Rude. That was more than 4 or 5 seconds, Nate. That was like 30 seconds. I hit buy. So, what the hell? Hit it again. I should have known it was going to do that. I thought maybe I missed it because sometimes I would like click over here or something, but God dang it, now we go from being up $450, $60, whatever, to being down. Rude. Tom Sabo shorted 1 micro. Let's jump back in. Let's be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Some kind of cheer. You know, it's what you hear at the football games. Yes, back to the 94 here. Just going to assume that maybe it bounces off this level. I don't know. Tom, where should I buy? Tell me. Tell me where I buy. You told me where to sell, but you didn't tell me where to buy. What up, Donovan? Order filled in trading view with the arrow mark, but I'm still on trade of 8 for the same trade. That's crazy. I don't know what the problem is. What's the problem? Why is it doing me that way? Back to the 50 EMA here. That damn dirty girl, that's right. It was acting up last night at Open. Rude. Well, see if we close below here on the 5-minute. Look over here. That's not that clean. Use indicators? Yeah, I got the few EMAs, 200 to 50, the 21 to 9, the VWAP, pivot points, stuff like that. Your basic stuff. The basic stuff. And I'm going to close this here and join the shorts. Got a little 5-minute inversion here. And what I'll probably do is add to this if I can. Yes, back below the 94. See if we can push it down. I don't know. Yes, going to get back above 94 here? I don't know. Yes, might squeeze back above 94. Let's see. Exclamation point cash in the chat, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway. We are going to be either giving away a 50K My Funded Futures account, no activation fee, 50K Trade Day account, no activation fee, or an Apex account, whichever, any size Apex eval, whichever is your fancy. I'm going to add one right here. Look for this run down into the 900 level. We get through 910. I think we can run into 900 fairly quickly. Get this push through the 10, I think we can go, but if it kind of holds there, then might be tough sledding. Very small 5-minute candle here. Not really doing anything. Batman Begins was made 20 years ago? Oh, you're so old. Yes, yes. I don't even remember Batman Begins, to be honest. Pat Rick, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man! Batman Begins. Let's see here. What can we watch? Yes, work his way back above 94. I might get out here. Yeah, kind of rejecting 94. Let's see if it holds above it or not. New candle here. Should get one more push lower here. I'm probably going to just get out. I'd imagine we test that 14 one more time. Or at least cover one. What do you call a factory that makes okay products? A satisfactory. That sounds like a Tom Sabo joke. It does. Sounds like a Tom Sabo joke. I'm gonna get rid of one of these just for nothing here. 2 points. Less than 2 points. Although, yeah, I think reducing size makes sense. We could add back to it if it puts in like an OB or something, you know. Maxie, what are we barking at? Come on, we're whimpering at nothing. Is this live? No, this was 2 days ago. Solo. 2 days ago, man. At least 3 days ago. Really? You're gonna come that close to taking me out? Not do it? It's rude. Maxie, come on, man. Come on. You never see Tom this late? It's about 9 o'clock at Tom's house. 9 o'clock. So, I mean, the ES working its way back above the 94 kind of has me believing that we're squeezed now. I don't know, though. We're chopping ourselves up a little bit here. A little choppy choppy. Kind of holding the 200, working our way. I mean, really chopping. Stop being put in, take out gap later, not trading. Yeah. I'm being aggressive over here on this eval, this competition eval. Just trying to build up a few points. Oh, I forgot about the Tom Sabo guarantee. I forgot all about that. It's just long. I forgot all about the Tom Sabo guarantee. Tom says it hits the high again 100%, or he gives everyone $200 cash US. That's what he said. I don't know. I'm just repeating what he said. That's all I'm doing. Ugh. We'll see if Tom's right. He will raffle a TP&T account. He will. It's been pretty all right considering it's a bank holiday. Yeah, but it's not that kind of a bank holiday, but still. Uh-oh. Tom with the 1,000 Huff donation. It seems like 967 won't hit. How much is 1,000 Huff? Is that $1,000 US, Tom? Tom just donated $1,000 US. This is like what it's like working on a garbage truck. How much is 1,000 for rent? 1,000 Huff. I have no clue. I'm rich. I'm rich. Tom, it looks like it might hit. What are you talking about? $295 or $2.95, Tom? $3. Is that really $3? Hold on. If that's $3, I'm gonna have to call you a cheapie. Hold on. How much is 1,000 Huff in dollars? $2.95. You cheapo. It's appreciated, Tom. It's appreciated. I'm going to add one here. I'm going to add one there. Just look for a little push through 946. You're rich. I know. Let's go, Trashy Trader. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh, come on. Come on, Tom. Trump using NQ like a meme coin, pump and dumps. Yeah, you know, it's the way she goes. Let's see if we can squeeze it. Can we squeeze it? Coffee at Starbucks is 15. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Come on, let's get the squeeze here. ES back above initial balance here. Let's get the squeeze through that whole number on ES. Get back up there to the 6705s. He's doing a long-term funding of a giveaway, sort of a layaway plan. Someone made 190 million on Bitcoin short 1 minute before Trump tweeted. That's crazy. That's true, Design. He will be here soon. Hopefully he will be, you know, he'll be friendly to me. Rip it. Prepare thy offerings. I've got my offerings on the table already. I want it to take me out of one of my offerings at least before it hits, though. How much time we got? We still got 5 minutes. 6 minutes almost. Crypto super scammy. I don't know. I mean, sort of. It depends how you feel about it, you know? Bud, hey, where you at? What are you doing? Get over here. All that barking and whimper. I don't know why he's whimpering, guys. He will be here soon. That's right, Nate. Prepare thy offerings. Trying to get this push up. Max hears him in the distance. Where's he even at? Maxie! I think he wants to go in the kitchen. Come on, Nasdaq. Just be friendly. Just be friendly, Nasdaq. Hey, where are you at? What are you doing? Come here. Come on. Oh, no. This is the competition, Pegasus. This is the competition account right here. I don't like that we got a bearish SMT at the highs. He's hungry. He's definitely not hungry. He's very, 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 very full. Too close to the murder bot. We're going to be gamble, Tech T. We're going to gamble here. We are going to gamble. Gonna gamble. I'm going to put in some gamble orders here in a moment. He will punish the non-believers. Hoping it's a bullish wick. Yeah, we'll see. $47. We got 3 minutes. We're going to add down here at the 900. Or Or we're going to add above. We're going to see. Full port detail. Yeah, for sure. Degen trading. All hail the murder bot. Let's go, Abyss. Nice job. I wasn't on it last night. How many should we go here? Let's go like, I mean, I don't even know how many that is. We'll see what happens here. I feel like it's probably going to pull back into the 900 here. It's probably about where they'll close it at. Abyss, this is trade day. Trade all the contracts. Yeah. Always bet Max and not the dog. Yeah, I can't bet Max. Can't lose him. We can lose this account. It's okay. Again, we got a bearish S&T at the highs here. That might be reason enough for it to go down. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys, 30 seconds here. $30 seconds. $20 seconds. Let's see what she does. There we go. She pulled back to the 05s there. Kind of swept that wick. Urdois. What I think about Legends? They're all right. Yeah, it's not an OCO. It isn't. It's OCO because it's a bracket order. But yes, holding up above 94, leading me to believe this thing's probably just going to squeeze. I'm going to add right there. Probably a bad spot to add, but I'll do it anyway. Kind of retested this 5-minute open here. I added right into it. But yeah, I haven't used Legends personally other than the BDH challenge thing. But I don't know. They seem all right. I don't know a lot about them, to be honest. Tom Sabo guarantee is the high a day. That's his guarantee. Can we get push? Yeah, exactly, Sir Doss. He is pleased. Let's go. Giveaway will be at 4 o'clock. You think the evals and activation fees are too cheap? I mean, they've been around for a while, Erdos. They're, I think they're over, they might be close to 2 years. I don't even know how long they've been around, but I think they're okay. I mean, like I said, I've never traded with them, but I do know a few people who've gotten payouts with them. What up, Jacques? Mo in the house. Kind of want to push this up now a little bit. Might end up being a bad idea pushing it up, but I just feel like it goes now. We need $700 to get this back to break even, so let's see. Can we do it? Here's the first target. If we get the second target up there at 48, I'll put the stop in. Sus block? I'm doing good, Jacques. It's night there? Dang. I'll take this one at 1150. At that right there. And I'll go... See if we can squeeze into the close here. Comes that 55 candle. Squeeze through the high. Give me a little profit. Oh, it's nearly 9 o'clock. Nice. There comes 55. Let's see. Just rip it through the high. Rip it through the high. Come on, really? Nearly time to bed. Alexi, 7 a.m. Yeah, you guys must be on the opposite side of the world from each other. Let's go. Rip it up. I think if we get above this wick up here, we can just rip. Do we leave equal highs there? No. I could have taken it off there for a break-even day, but I feel like it goes. I feel like it goes. I don't think I can let this go red on me, though. I have to find another spot to enter. That's rude. Come on, man. Very rude. Be nice. Be nice. Come on, one time. Be nice. Be nice to Methodical. Eh. Be sweet to me. Rip it back to the highs. So ever so kindly. No. What a Floki. All right, we got 2 minutes and a half left in the day here. Come on. Rude. All right, well, we're going to have to find a spot. Do I ever stream with Tom Sabo at 9:30? Black Phoenix took 0. I don't know. Maybe Abyss, probably. 960 is the top. Not according to Tom Sabo. Tom Sabo says it's not. That's rude. Very rude. Yes, holding above 94. Final minute here, guys. Let me see which way this thing starts to go. Let's see who's winning in the final 30 seconds here. Let's see. Bears are doing a pretty good job so far. Trying to push it down. All right, final 30 seconds. Here we go. Final 10 seconds. Let's go. Got made our money back there. Back up $100. I'm at a bad in Buddha. What? Budapest. Yes, Budapest is Tom. Thomas Sabo. Tom, it did not make it to the 65, so you got to sleep with the fishes tonight, bro. You got to sleep with the fishes. You got to sleep with the fishes, Tom Sabo. Get out of here. I'm going to look big on the leaderboard tomorrow, up $100. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be huge, huge. Exclamation point cash in the chat. No, it's not intentional. The camera must have went kaplook. It happens. Let me see. Exclamation point cash in the chat. Why did I full port? Because I didn't want to end the day in the red. You never do that? You never full port at the end of the day? I mean, that really wasn't full port. It was 7 minis. 7 minis. Let me see. There we go. We're back. All right. Exclamation point cash in the chat. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, you've never done that? You've never full ported? What? What? Now I'm up 116. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let me check the like button. Where are we at? Let me see how many likes we're at. I don't even think I can see them anymore. I can't even see them anymore. Where are the likes at, guys? Where are the likes at? I don't know why it didn't show me the likes anymore. It's weird. I guess you guys are just lucky. I can't see the likes. All right, let's do the giveaway. If you're never full port, don't try it. Sets a precedence. Yeah. 1 million likes. Only Donald knows. 44 likes. Oh, come on. Get us the 50, guys. You can get us the 50 likes. All right, guys, you got 30 seconds to enter the giveaway. Exclamation point cash. I'm setting the timer right now. 30 seconds, and we're going to draw. 30 seconds. Bam. Abyss, the giveaway is for a free account. Either My Funded Futures 50K scale account, no activation fee. Apex any size eval or a trade day 50K intraday trailing. Trade day and My Funded Futures both have no activation fee. Apex, of course, does. So. $54 likes. Let's go. All right, here we go. We got how many seconds for the giveaway here? Let me see. Oh, I never hit start. Never mind. Let's do the giveaway. And the winner is... Oh, The Abyss wins the giveaway. Trading bot, you're just a little slow on the trigger. The Abyss wins. The Abyss wins the giveaway. Methodical Man at gmail.com. Send me an email to methodicalmanabyss@gmail.com. I'm going to pin it to the top of the chat there. And screenshot this showing you're logged into your YouTube account. And send that to me in the email and tell me whether you want the Apex, the My Funded Futures, or the trade day. And if you choose Apex, I don't need anything. I can just give you the code. If you choose trade day, I don't need anything. I can just give you the code. But if you choose My Funded Futures, I need your email that you use for the login. Your undefeated run continues? Yeah. Bish, you're not taking my money. It's given to me for free. So no worries about that. Dang, Design, you blew a lot today. Yeah, Abyss, these are free accounts. I just give them away. It lowers your vibration and you'll never win every time you say it's rigged. Yeah, your password too. Password too, Alex. Abyss. No, I'm just kidding. No password. No password. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. What's today's date? Still got a couple days left in the Apex sales, guys. The Apex 80% off sale. Use code MYTH. Take Profit Trader 40% off. Use code MM. 83% off Bulanox. Code MM. Trade Day 30% off. Code MM. Tradeify 30% off. Code MM. Code MM on all the others. Funded Futures Network, Legends, Elite, Tick, Funding Ticks, Lucid, Prop Shop. All code MM. Code MMM for the Futures Desk if you want to pick up an account with them. Test to show it's actually you. Yeah, the Abyss. That's the reason why you got to send the screenshot. So why you got to send the screenshot? Man, look at that 900 touch right there. A little double bottom. A little double bottom. But guys, I'll be back maybe later tonight. I'll probably jump on tonight for a little Asia stream. Try to make up for a little bit of not streaming earlier today. And so I'll see you guys then. It's the law of attraction. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.